Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you a full guide on how to crop your photos on Instagram. Are you ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Step 3. Tap the plus icon at the top right and select a photo. Step 4. Take a photo or upload one from your gallery. Step 5. Touch the screen and pinch to zoom in on the photo. Step 6. Move the photo and adjust how it fits within the frame. Utilize the grid to help you frame the photo perfectly. Step 7. Tap next to save your changes. Step 8. And voila! Your photo is now cropped and ready to be shared with the world. Remember, you can also add effects to your photo to make it even more captivating. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll guide you through the process of adding effects on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.